Give me 15, motherfucker.
I'll write it down in a second. I ain't gonna pencil whip you, fat sucker. Let me play first.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, man?
Who winning?
Who you think, huh? Me.
That does it. That's game null and void, motherfuckers.
So, what kind of guns we working with now?
One time came through, raid the spot. We ain't got shit now.
Well, what you gonna do if the ballers roll through? Throw shoes at them? Say, what happened to Emmett?
Emmett? Shit, gangs these days got Macs, AKs, and all kind of stuff. Emmett, on the other hand, ain't got shit.
Well, until we get that plug, we gotta deal with a cat that always been there for us.
Emmett, Seville Boulevard families. We ain't too close these days, but nonetheless, I'll take you to see him. Get ourselves strapped up. Come on, man.
Nigga, shake him up again.
What happened to the family? Where the love at?
Shit happened. Seville wrongs Temple. Temple wrongs Grove. Bad blood leads to bad blood. If you read the book,
You on
that's
Grand
the
or
way of the
something?
world, baby.
Yeah, but you know you gotta keep it real.
I admire you, Carl. You're a leader, a visionary. Remember me when you get to the top.
Give it a breath, smoke, full of shit.
Get in.
Un momentito. Está coño. Voy a guardar esto. Que igual piensa mal de mí. A lo mejor, a lo mejor.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What do you want? The chewy bits aren't harmful, sir.
Antes viene extintor, tú no tienes, ¿no? No. Ahí voy. Estos tirados aquí. Ay, que no puedo subir. No, ¿por qué? Y en serio, tío. La farola. Sube. No me deja, tío. Esto se arregla así, mira. Vale, buenas.
A fool like you can't jack me.
A ver si me tiras. No me ha tirado nada. No, 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 este. Ah, sí, sí.
That's my man right there, you know what I'm saying?
Hey! Who shot at me? What you kids want?
Hey, hey, Pops, hey, what's happening?
Aren't you Beverly Johnson's boy?
That's right.
Brent, say, ain't you dead?
No, Emmett, the other one, Carl.
I'm sorry about Beverly.
That's why we here, sir. We want to get the people who did it.
Well, you come to the right place. Try anything you like, boy.
Man, look at this old shit. Die, little glass baller, fool!
Oh, Beverly be so proud of you, boy.
Shit, I'm the best there ever was.
Mira, mira, mira yo.
Yeah, that's real Grove Street style now.
Cap your ass? And your ass? You want some too? Ice cold, baby. I knew I was the chosen one.
Oh, man, check out Special Agent Big Smoke.
Oh, you're making me so proud of you.
Bueno, bueno. Cochazo, Está invertido, puta madre. Qué guay. ¿Sí?
Damn, you're a killer, baby. Ice cold. But remember something. Real strength comes from within, my brother. Listen to the boy. Yeah, I guess Liberty didn't soften you none, huh? Hey, look, let's split. Hey, I see you around, Emmett.
I'm 100% behind you, boys. But remember this, you didn't get them from me. And remember this, Emmett is the place for guns. I've always got high-quality merchandise, and I've been proudly serving the community for over 30 years.
Pesado, tío.
Crazy old fool. Hey, look, you drive, man.
I seen newer cannons in this strap in the museum. Where we going?
Man, I'm real tired, dude. Drop me off at my crib, baby.
What's going on, man? Shit seems pretty fucked up.
People have to open their eyes and their hearts, CJ.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the choices all men face, brother. Sometimes they seem real, but other times there's no choice at all.
At least you still talking shit. You ain't changed a bit.
Who, me? No, never. Coward. Thanks, CJ. I see you around.
Later, Smoke. Speak.
I thought you was representing.
What?
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought you was rolling with Grove Street again.
Already told you I am.
Well, I ain't seen your colors yet. You gotta fly the flag, man. Ain't nobody gonna respect you if you ain't representing your hood.
Alright, man. My bad. I just ain't got around to it yet.
There's a Beaco around the corner from the gym in Gatton. Go get yourself some greens.
A vestirse.
A customer.
Ya sé cómo funciona la tienda, gracias.
Changing rooms over there, sir.
Gracias. A ver. Temazo.
Always a pleasure, sir.
Pantalones cortos. Ahí están.
Thank you, sir.
A ti, papá. Cadenas. No, por favor. Que me queda así. Rosa.
Thank you, sir.
Aquí monada. A ver qué más queda. Complementos. Ojos de broma, antifaz. sirve.
Try on anything you want, sir. Have a wonderful day,
Raise
sir.
up, Mark.
Portafones.